Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles. Still in my room, as last video stated. A couple weeks ago, I went out to shoot film. Of course, it was a couple weeks ago. I have a lot of videos from a couple weeks ago. We're just waiting for film to get developed and everything. But I went out and shot a roll of Kodak UltraMax 400, and this is known as like the most mediocre film of all time. And I just wanted to test it out. Pretty cheap, it's affordable. So yeah, let's get into the video. I shot this on my Canon QL17 G3 for reference. The first thing I noticed about the film is that there's like this weird orangish red tint over a lot of the shots. And I don't know if that was just like the lighting scenario I was in or what, but I didn't really like it. It was only like, I think it might have been I underexposed a little bit, but I don't know. You'll see in these next two images that and I don't know if this was also me or the way they were scanned or what, but they have like faded out shadows. You can see they're not really contrast, it's like super faded. The colors in this film aren't really saturated or anything. It's really just like the most regular film you could buy. So if you wanted, you could probably edit it to your liking, but there's nothing really special about this film. Like, it's not like Portra is just really nice skin tones. Kodak Gold is like really warm. This is just, it's just there. It's not, it has nothing really. You can especially see in these next couple shots how faded they are, and they're not underexposed. I took a light reading and I did all that right before this. So, yeah.
I just finished that roll. I'm gonna be done shooting film for tonight. I'm gonna put it away.
Overall, the film I'd say is not like, it's okay for how cheap it is. It's really just a budget film you want to buy just to like document stuff, but I wouldn't really do it on anything like that I want to be like artsy with, really. Like, I'm not gonna put these photos in like a zine or anything, or like a photo book. I'd much rather get a different type of film, unless I edit these, which I don't really edit my film that much. I do some. I don't see anything wrong again with it. It's not 1930s anymore, so you can edit that stuff. But yeah. If you're just looking to shoot film and you're just starting it, I'd start with this film and Kodak 200 Gold, so you can get a feel of that stuff. I will be shooting some more. I'm gonna get a shipment of these expired from 2010, so about a decade old, and I'm gonna see how those look. And I'm getting Portra 160 soon, so hopefully we can get some videos out with that. Other than that, that's really it. If you guys like this really quick video about Kodak 400 UltraMax, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful. And I have to be in work in 10 minutes. So I will see you guys next time.